morning grade 3. Welcome back to grade 3 mathematics class. How are you all doing today? We'll see a few word problems that involve addition and subtraction of money today. So let's see the first question. This is from your textbook. Rahul spends 14 rupee 50 paise on a chocolate and 3 rupee 50 paise to buy a pencil. How much money does he spend altogether? So what is given in the question? See how much money it costed him for a chocolate is given, and how much money it costed Rahul to buy a pencil is also given. Now you are asked to find out how much money he spent altogether, or what is his total expenditure. So we are given the cost of a chocolate, the cost of a pencil. How do we find out the total cost? Just add up the two amounts and we'll get the total cost. So let's see the steps. So from the data in the question, let's write the steps as cost of the chocolate is equal to 14 rupee 50 paise and cost of the pencil is equal to 3 rupee 50 paise. Now total expenditure is equal to cost of the chocolate plus cost of the pencil, which is equal to 14 rupee 50 paise plus 3 rupee 50 paise. So let's do the addition in the working column. So we have written the given amounts in the proper columns. Now starting with the paise column, let's add the numbers. So here we have 0 plus 0, 0 here, 5 plus 5, 10. So writing 0 here and carrying over 1 to the next column. See, when we carried over this 1 to the rupee column, we are actually carrying over 1 rupee or 100 paise. Because 50 plus 50 is equal to 100 paise, which is equal to 1 rupee. So we wrote the 0 here and carried over the 1 rupee to the rupee column. So here 50 paise plus 50 paise is 1 rupee 0 paise. That is 0 here and 1 rupee is carried over to the rupee column. So here we have 4 plus 3, 7 plus 1, 8 and 1 here. So what is the total cost? It costed a total of rupees 18 for Rahul to buy the chocolate and the pencil. So the total expenditure Rahul spends rupees 18 altogether. So hope this is clear to you. Now the second one. Mohit buys a water bottle for 42 rupee 55 paise and a school bag for 255 rupee 85 paise. Which is costlier and by how much? So we are given the cost of a water bottle and the cost of a school bag. So look at the amounts. Which amount is greater? Obviously 255 rupee 85 paise is more than 42 rupee 55 paise. So the school bag costs more than a water bottle. And how do we find out by how much amount this amount is more than this one? How can we find out that? Just subtract the two amounts and we'll see by how much amount the school bag is costlier than the water bottle. So let's see the steps. Cost of the water bottle is equal to 42 rupee 55 paise as given in the question, and cost of the school bag is equal to 255 rupee 85 paise. Now the difference between the cost is equal to, which is the greater amount? Cost of the school bag. So cost of the school bag minus cost of the water bottle, and that is 255 rupee 85 paise minus 42 rupee 55 paise. So let's do the subtraction in the working column. So you have written the given amounts in the proper columns. Starting with the paise column, we have 85 paise minus 55 paise. What is the answer? 5 minus 5, it is 0. 8 minus 5, it is 3. So here we have 30 paise, and in the rupee column we have 255 minus 42. So 5 minus 2, it is 3. 5 minus 4, it is 1. Then 2 here. So rupees 213 and 30 paise. Hence the difference in the amounts or difference in the cost is equal to 213 rupees 30 paise, and the school bag is costly by 213 rupees 30 paise. Now we'll do one activity. This question is from exercise 11.3, question number 3. You may note down this question and the steps in your notebook. Let me read the question to you. Ran Vijay bought apples for rupees 75. He gave 100 rupees to the shopkeeper. How much amount would he get back? So what is mentioned in the question? The cost of apples is given and the amount he gave to the shopkeeper is also given. So the apple costed him only rupees 75, but he had 100 rupees with him which he gave to the shopkeeper. So he should get some amount back as balance, right? So you are asked to find out the amount he would get back. So you write proper steps and work out this question in your notebook now as an activity. So please pause this video, finish the activity and come back. Hope you are done with that. Now let's see the steps and the answer. So the cost of the apples is equal to 75 rupee. And what is the amount Ran Vijay gave to the shopkeeper? He gave an amount of rupees 100. Now, the balance amount he should get will be the amount he gave to the shopkeeper minus the actual cost of the apples. So, which will be equal to 100 rupee minus 75 rupee. So, 100 rupee minus 75 rupee, and let's do the subtraction in the working column. Here we have 100 rupee minus 75 rupee. So, in the paise column, it is 0 paise in both the cases. So, here 0 paise itself and 100 minus 75 in the rupee column. So, here we cannot do 0 minus 5. So, we have to borrow. There also it is 0. So, this becomes 0. Here it becomes 9 and here it becomes 10. Now, 10 minus 5, it is equal to 5. 9 minus 7, it is equal to 2. So, what is the difference? What is the balance amount he should get? He should get a balance amount of rupees 25. So, Ran Vijay would get a balance of rupees 25 from the shopkeeper. So, I hope you got your answer correct. Now, children, you can go through these topics to pages 152 to 154. Then, you have to complete the question number 4, 5 and 6 of exercise 11.3. These are word problems. You may note down the questions and work out the answers in your notebook itself. Now, in the same page after the exercise, you can see a value education question. So, you please go through that and do accordingly. And below that, there is a heading, Math Around Us. Please go through it also and do accordingly. So, children, I hope all the concepts and the questions we discussed today are clear to you. That's all for today. We'll see you in the next class with a new topic. Till then, bye.